ever wondered, what if an important table in your SQL database gets accidentally dropped? How would you recover it? Well, today we delve into the recovery methods for dropped tables in SQL databases. Firstly, we have the backup restoration method. SQL databases often come with backup mechanisms that create copies of the database at specific points in time. If a table gets dropped, you need a backup that includes the table and its data. The restoration process involves restoring the backup to a separate location or overwriting the existing database. Once the backup is restored, the table and its data become available again. Secondly, there's the use of transaction logs. Many relational database management systems, or RDBMs, maintain transaction logs that record all changes made to the database. If the database retains transaction logs, you can use them to recover a dropped table. Transaction logs allow you to roll back the database to a point in time before the table was dropped. By replaying or rolling back transactions from the logs, you can restore the database to a state where the dropped table still exists. Thirdly, third-party tools come into play. There are available tools that claim to recover dropped tables and their data. These tools work by scanning the database files for remnants of the dropped table, such as data pages that haven't been overwritten yet. These tools can recover dropped tables even if backups or transaction logs are not available or insufficient. However, the success of recovery depends on various factors such as the database system, configuration, and the extent of data modifications since the table was dropped. Finally, there's professional assistance. In cases where standard recovery methods fail, seeking assistance from database recovery professionals or consulting services may be necessary. These experts have specialized knowledge and tools to deal with complex data recovery scenarios. They can analyze the database structure, logs, and other relevant information to determine the best course of action for recovery. While professional assistance may come at a cost, it can be invaluable for recovering critical data and minimizing downtime. In a nutshell, each approach to recovering a dropped table in SQL involves different methods and considerations. The choice of method hinges on factors such as the availability of backups, transaction logs, and the criticality of the dropped table's data. Acting quickly and carefully in such situations is essential to maximize chances of successful recovery and minimize impact on your database operations.